Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and be testing and reviewing these Melodysusie gel polishes, and I am affiliated with them, so I do have a discount code that you guys are able to use if you guys want to use it. I'll also be leaving links down below to everything I use and also this gel polish set. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. I'm very excited to try out this brand just because I've never tried it out, and I really am excited to try out. I've actually seen their gel polishes before, so I was really excited when they gave me the opportunity to be affiliated with them and to review this gel polish kit. Anywho, first up we have their user manual. It includes how to prep. It also includes their application guide. Then in the box, here are the colors. They're super beautiful colors. We have some nudes, some pinks, and two glittery colors here. The bottles are 5 milliliters each, super pretty. They're rounded out, and they also include their top coat. Now I'm gonna go and show you the swatches and all that. Okay, so here are the swatches. Let me know down in the comment section below which color is your favorite. Mine is definitely 129. It's super pretty color, super nude. It's like my favorite color overall. And overall, I really love this collection. I think these are my go-to colors. I usually go for nudes and pinks, and this is the perfect collection for it. Now let's go ahead and go into our nail set that we will be doing today. So for today's video, I'm going to be using these extra long coffin full coverage gel tips from AliExpress. I will be sure to leave a link down below if you guys are interested in them. I went ahead and already pre-buffed the nails, so now we're ready to apply our gel polish. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the color 129. It's a beautiful nude color, and I'm just going to do a very thin layer, and we're only going to apply one coat to each nail. These gel polishes are super pigmented, so there is no need to do a second layer, which is perfect because I hate doing second layers. I feel like sometimes it might ruin the shape of the nail, so I really love that I only had to go in with one color. It's super pretty. Consistency, I love their formula. It's like right in between thick and thin, so it's literally just perfect, just right. Super pigmented, and I definitely recommend, if you guys have the opportunity to try out these gel polishes, definitely do. I just really like, I'm letting you guys know, I really like these gel polishes. Their consistency is really great to work with. I had no problem with their gel polishes at all. Yeah, I just went ahead and did one thin layer, then I went ahead and then cured for 60 seconds. So we are going to be doing some nail art here, so I'm using the color 994, and I'm just going to place that onto my nail palette here. It's just actually a card. Then I'm going to be using the color 270, and I'm going to start off with my light color using my liner brush. I'm going to outline the yin yang that I'm going to be doing here. So I'm just doing the outline first. Once I have my outline, then I'm going to go in and basically fill it in. So yeah, here you guys can see it's really easy to do. If you guys are wondering, this brush I actually customized it myself. It's one of those cheap brushes that you get like in a 10-pack, I believe, for like $3, or sometimes they're even $1. They're super cheap brushes. But when I customized it and I learned to work with it, honestly, they work really great. And I have more expensive nail art brushes, but this is my go-to. It's super thin and super easy to work with. If you guys want a tutorial, I am 100% sure anybody of you guys might have these brushes, just because sometimes they even give these out for free. I got these for free in a kit that I purchased, I believe. So these are really cheap, and if you guys want to learn how to customize your brushes to make them very thin, let me know. I will be sure to leave it. I will be sure to do a tutorial if you guys are interested in them. Anywho, I went ahead and cured that opposite part, which is the pink part. Now, once I've cured that, now I'm going in with this beautiful 370 color, which is a more high saturated pink tone, and I'm just outlining it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and fill that in. Once we have that filled in, then I'm gonna go ahead and then cure for 30 seconds.
Smiling while you're cursing, I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you.
I'm going to be using my dotting tool to go ahead and just do some little dots here. I went ahead and did the dots, and then we went ahead and cure that. Next, I'm going to be doing a marble design, so I'm going to go and just place my 2 colors here, which are the ones that I previously used. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my dotting tool to mix them around, just like so, to create that marble effect. Then I went ahead and added a little bit of this white. This white is from Roseland. I went ahead and used my dotting tool again to mix it. Then to scoop up the colors, I'm using this old brush by Savland. I'm just going to go ahead and place that marble design onto my nail, just like so, making sure that I fully cover the entire nail. Once I have that fully covered, then I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. Actually, I think I cured for 60. I might have cured for 60 just because it was a lot of gel polish. As always, to clean up my side walls, I go ahead and use some alcohol and any old brush, and then I just wipe that away, and then boom. Now again, we're going to do the marble design that we did previously, so I'm just placing the colors on there, then using my dotting tool to mix them around into that marble effect. And I believe for this nail, we're going to be doing kind of like a wavy type of thing here. I don't know how to explain it, but it's basically just a marble design, and it's basically going to be placed diagonally across the entire nail, just like so. I'm just placing it however, and once I have that design down, then I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. Now again, we're going to be doing a marble design again. These nails were basically just all marbled. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just plop my colors that I used previously. Use my dotting tool to swirl the colors around to create that marble effect. Then I'm going to be using my polygel brush. This brush is by 𝔖𝒛𝚘𝚍𝚞. I'm just going to scoop the colors up, and we're just basically doing an outline of the V cut to create that French tip first. At the beginning, I was a little hesitant whether I was going to be able to achieve that actual French design with this marble technique, but honestly, I think I did pretty well, if I do say so myself. I think I did okay. There's definitely a little bit of a learning curve to me at the beginning, but then I ended up actually learning how to do it. So yeah, I'm just creating that marble French tip, just like so. I actually think I didn't put the video in, but I did use a striping brush or a liner brush to get that more snatched French design. Here I'm just placing the little stickers here. These I actually think came in a kit, and so I'm just placing the butterflies just like so. I had a hard time placing these. Later on you see throughout the video that I ended up changing the butterfly, or I don't know if I actually did, I forgot. But on here I'm doing some clouds here. I'm using my dotting tool and some white gel polish. I'm just doing some little dots first. I am so sorry that my camera angle was wrong. I thought I fixed it, apparently I did not. Honestly, I started these nails around 12 o'clock and I finished it around 3 in the morning. I was super tired, so this design didn't come out the best, but hopefully you guys still enjoy this video. Now I'm using this old brush here and some alcohol to go ahead and basically how do you say, I don't even know, honestly. I'm really tired right now as well. But basically to just, you know, smear that white out to make the nails give a more realistic look rather than cartoonish look. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Then once I have that done, I'm gonna go ahead and then cure that. So this is how the nails look once they're fully cured. Overall, really happy with the design, super pretty. I love the different design on each nail. It just looks really great. I absolutely loved it. Now I'm going in with Melodysusie's top coat. I actually really like the top coat. It's super glossy, breaks great. It doesn't get tacky after. 100% recommended, of course. The formula, like I said, it's great. It's super perfect. Make sure you use my discount code PRISCILAAXO for money off your purchase if you guys want to try out this kit. I will be sure to leave a link down below. Now once we cure that, I'm going in with my cuticle oil onto my nails. Onto my cuticles basically. I'm going to just go ahead and make sure that my cuticles are fully hydrated. And this is how the design came out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Let me know which color was your favorite and which design did you like most. As always, hopefully you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.